You have black pepper at home, and you probably don't even realize how much it can help you. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you used it in your garden, around your plants, or even in the soil? This little trick can surprise you and protect your plants in a natural way. In this video, I will show you why it is so good to use black pepper in your garden. You only need 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder for this simple method. Simply sprinkle the powder directly around the base of your plants. The strong aroma repels ants, aphids, mites, and even slugs that damage tender leaves. If you have problems with cats digging in your garden beds, spread some black pepper powder where they usually visit. They dislike the smell and will avoid that spot. Another method is to make a natural spray. Mix 1 spoon of black pepper powder with warm water. Let it stand for a few hours. Strain it and pour into a spray bottle. Spray this solution on the leaves to protect against caterpillars, beetles, and other pests. It's safe, eco-friendly, and doesn't harm beneficial insects. Just 1 spoon of black pepper powder can shield your garden from unwanted pests while keeping your soil healthy and chemical-free. Try this natural trick and watch your plants stay strong and thriving.